generative AI and robotics. These two merging together offers a huge opportunity. And we're right at the beginning of really adopting this, right? And Ella is a very early version of how that looks like, and it's going to continue to evolve.
How old is this?
Well, we've been doing this for 5 years. From me, I was in a cafe operation.
Yeah.
And we had to build it from ground up, right? The software, the hardware, the industrial design.
So 5 years in the making, but rolling it out was how long for?
We started, we are a startup, we got investors, but the last few years was a bit tough, on the fundings environment. But yeah, we're beginning to franchise it now. Yeah. And massive opportunity here in the Middle East. I mean, this region is booming. Yeah. There's a lot of demand for it. And also the technology has to mature. The early days was massive iterations and, solving problems, right? And then finding the right fit, like cost down, and then defining the business model.
So you're the technology providers of basically dispensing food, right?
Coffee and liquid, and we are rethinking how retail could be.
Yes.
with the help of robotics. Yeah.
Okay, so now you're saying liquid coffee. What's the next stage after that?
So the way we build Ella is in a modular manner. So this module is with a coffee machine and the ice, the fridge underneath. And come over here. And this module here, we could actually add another module, which we plan to, with hot food and dispensing. So we could do combo meals as well. Yeah.
I didn't get that last part.
Food, hot food.
Oh, food.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the next thing.
Definitely.